Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Stocks Around Us with me, Pizza. Guys, every day when we wake up, we go through the usual routine. We wash our faces, brush our teeth, take a shower, make coffee. Everything is just so easy. We never really think about the fact that just turning on this water, so many processes go into it before we actually get our tap water. At the treatment plant, water is being pumped through these pipes underground. Sometimes they are stretched thousands of kilometers across cities. So just imagine how much pressure do these pipes have to withstand? What happens when there's an earthquake? Just how strong would they have to be? I'll tell you now, if we ever need to hide from a bombing situation, you will find me hiding here in one of these large pipes. I should really be safe here. Today, we are at one of the top water pipe producers in Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, the company is Engtex Group Berhad. Engtex is known for providing the most comprehensive products for their customers' pipes, valves, fittings, and plumbing material requirements. Engtex offers more than 5,000 product items that meet the diverse requirements of over 3,000 customers, whether it's retailers, dealers, hardware stores, industrial buyers, contractors, or end users. Let's look at the products that they distribute. First, they have the pipes, generally used for water supply and sewer pipelines, valves, which are the things attached to the pipes, and fitting joints, which connects pipelines together. They also sell steel products such as steel plates and bars for engineering work and a number of other construction materials, like pre-stressed concrete stand and wire used for highways, railways, building, and irrigation works. But not only do they distribute these products, the company also manufactures quite a few of them, such as steel pipes, valves and fittings, and other steel-related products. Aside from this business, Engtex has a property development division where they develop retail, office space, and residences in Selayang, Malaysia. Their projects include the Emerald Avenue shopping mall, which also has the Emerald E-Suite, a trendy residential unit for young families and working professionals. In addition, they develop villa houses along the hilltops of Selayang called Tiara Residences. Recently, the company just opened up a hospitality business where they build affordable hotel buildings in different parts of Malaysia. These hotels will either be managed by international or local hotel operators. So to sum up Engtex again, while they develop properties, their main business is being an integrated manufacturer and one-stop distributor of pipes, valves, fittings, and other industrial materials, in addition to being a property developer. It's a very interesting production process going on. I think that they're welding the pipes together right now, but I can't be sure though. Luckily, joining us today is our special guest who will be telling us all about the company and its piping processes. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome C.K. Koo, the CFO of Engtex Group. Hi,
Hello.
Mr. Koo.
How are you?
Good. Thank you for having us at your facility today.
It's no problem.
So what are we doing here at this facility? What are they doing right now?
This machine is basically a pipe forming machine. It can do up to 3 meters in diameter. Basically, we are preparing this machine to to prepare ourselves to tender for big projects in Malaysia.
So these pipes that we're seeing, they're 3 meters.
Yes, yes.
Oh my God, is this the biggest size there is?
Yes, for this, for the time being, 3 meters is the one that is on tender.
Wow, very huge indeed. So your main business is in producing pipes.
Yes, we are producing, in this facility, we are producing a mild steel cement line pipe. Basically, it's for water and sewerage application. Yeah.
But then you also have like so many other divisions. Like for example, you manufacture, you distribute, you also have your property business. Can you please give us a revenue breakdown of the different divisions of your business?
Well, Engtex Group started off as a distribution in a distribution line, and distribution currently contributes about 48% of our group revenue, and manufacturing is also around that, about 47% as of last year. So the balance will be property development. Yes. So distribution and manufacturing is still our core business for the group. Yeah.
If you don't mind me asking, the pipe business and the property business seems very different. How did you get into property?
Property is because the founder of the group, which is the current group managing director, Dr. Eng Ho, he has on his private side, he actually did property development for over more than I think since 1995. So he has a very in-depth knowledge about property development. And why we bring into the group is because we want to enhance the earning of the group, not just on the core business itself, but also tap on the opportunity that we may get. And also because our distribution division, they also distribute building materials.
Oh.
Yeah, so with that, they complement each other. Yeah. So it's also, of course, our aim is to get this as one of the way to enhance our income, rather than all centralized on two business.
Right.
So we try to upgrade ourselves and diverse ourselves.
So talking about your core piping business, your main clients are who?
Our main clients are basically resellers, stockists, property developers, even main contractors for this kind of on our distribution side, and even for manufacturing as well. But of course, for the manufacturing, we do have advantages of going straight to the government for tender for the supply contracts, supply tenders.
So where does your company rank?
For this particular plant, we view ourselves as one of the leaders in pipe production. Our larger diameter pipe production up to 3 meters, there's only 2 players in Malaysia. So we stand to gain, if not for any upcoming projects that goes to that kind of size, which is now the largest that we have on tender.
In this industry, can you please describe what the competition is like?
Well, this industry basically they are quite fragmented, mainly centered around about 10 players that can do this kind of business. But of course, for the top large diameter, we are there's 2 in Malaysia. So that's why we always position ourselves as one of the market leader.
Right.
And also we also have a very good track record with our customers. I think last year we distribute to Felda projects and we deliver ahead of time. So this is something that we want to build on, the credibility of it and also the ability to supply ahead of schedule. And that's where the government will take this as one of the criteria when they do a pre-tender qualification.
Now that we're here, we're seeing these huge, what are these huge rods or like cords or what are these?
These are hot roll coil, basically the input material, the main material for the pipe is forming. And this particular hot roll coil, we call it hot roll coil, is basically constitute about 75% of our input cost. This is the main materials to do the pipe actually. Yeah.
So at all your production facilities, how much capacity are you using at the moment?
Currently, we are with this upgrade. We hope to produce up to 42,000 tons per annum. Yeah. So, which is for the time being, is still okay for the sizes that.
And there's room for you to expand further.
Yes, we do. So it depends on the market needs and also how fast the delivery is being planned.
Right.
Yeah.
how do you plan to expand your piping business?
Well,
Or does it just really depend
yeah.
on the demand?
Actually, for this kind of facilities, we're currently running at about 75% capacity. With the 42,000 upgrade, I think we will be close to about 60%. Yeah, so we still got room to
Right.
tap on it. And also because the plant currently is running on 1.5 shift. So actually, if the demand actually picks up, we can actually increase the shift to 2 or maybe 3. Or
Very
24
good, very
hours.
good for the company.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
now let's talk a bit about your property arm as well.
Okay.
What is your aim for the property business? Are you developing properties for rent or for sale or what?
Well, we are renting properties. Basically, we are for sale, and it's not going to be a very big part of our business. It's not going to be our core business because for us, the group has set a so-called limit in terms of the growth of the property development. Basically, is that property development will not contribute more than 20% of our group revenue at all times.
Right,
So
right.
basically, on property development, we are basically developing pockets of land where the infrastructure is already ready. So we don't have to spend more on the infrastructure. It's like a tail-end project for a big township or development.
Right.
So they may have a little pocket of land left, which we will normally take advantage and maybe we pay a slightly higher premium because the infrastructure is ready. And when we can use this to churn another group income to the company.
So the core of your business is still with these.
Yeah, this is still our bread and butter.
All right, well,
Yeah,
thank you so much
yeah.
for today, Mr. Koo.
Hey, thank you very much.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, thank you.
Financial highlights. Engtex revenue was over 1 billion ringgits, or 10 billion baht, growing by 82% from 2009. Its net profit was over 51 million, or 510 million baht, growing by 128%. Its net profit margin was almost 5%, and ROE was at 15.4%. Its PE was at 5.8 and PBV at 0.8. At the end of 2014, Engtex share price was at 1.9 ringgits or 19 baht, growing by 49% from 2009. Its market cap was over 340 billion ringgits or 3.4 billion baht, growing again by 49%. Guys, that was the Engtex Group. Join us again next time for more company highlights with Me Pizza. You know what? Come to think of it, I think these pipes would be very perfect for water slides and children's playground. But of course, that is a whole business for another day. The sun is getting quite strong now, so I think I better head home before I get any darker. See you later. Bye.